Welcome back. Here we go on April 23rd, page 506. Number is 19, not 20. Okay, and every time I want to draw this, every time, and of course this time, as soon as I've got an obtuse angle here, I'm thinking there's not a second triangle. That's probably always the case. You always want the angle on this corner, and then you always want the 45 on that corner. Probably only one on this one. Now we can go solving. I want x degrees first. Okay, so I'm going to get 45 sine 125 when I go this way. And then I'm going to get 20 sine x when I go the other way. And I'm going to divide by the 20, of course. That should have been 45. And then I can do second sine to find this angle. How about second sine of 45 sine 125 divided by 20? Error domain. Now don't freak out when it happens, because sometimes this is just going to happen. Because if you get this, here's why this one has no solution. Here's why. When you do 45 sine 125 and you divide that by 20, look at your answer. This number is larger than 1. So whenever it's bigger than 1, there's not an angle in existence whose sine is larger than 1. Okay? They're always between -1 and +1. It's like they're bound. So there's no solution on this one. All right, that one was fast. So this also means there's not a second triangle. If the first one doesn't exist, there's not a second one. And that's pretty good, because think what they're doing here. On 17 there was one triangle, on 18 there was two, on 19 this, you can't draw a triangle with these dimensions. It's impossible. This wasn't even a triangle to start with, which is why we couldn't solve it. Okay, so we're looking for an angle, second sine of that decimal. Well, it doesn't exist. Okay. If this is anywhere bigger than 1, it's not going to exist. 1.00001. It's not going to exist. Go to. Point 9999999. 9. It's going to exist. Almost 90 degrees. The second sine of 1, exactly 90 degrees. So you just watch this, because whenever this is bigger than 1, you're going to get no solution. Okay? Since these corners are supplementary, if that one turns out to be obtuse, if this one turns out to be acute, this one will be obtuse, and you'd have two obtuse angles in the same one. There's not a second triangle. So there we go on that one, and we're done.